I am the liver, and alcohol-related liver disease develops due to prolonged alcohol exposure. Alcohol is absorbed from the gut and delivered directly to me. I am the main organ responsible for alcohol metabolism. Alcohol is converted into acetaldehyde, a highly toxic substance. Acetaldehyde damages liver cells and triggers inflammation. Alcohol metabolism also generates oxidative stress. The earliest stage is fatty liver, also called steatosis. Fat accumulation causes the liver to enlarge. Fatty liver often causes no early symptoms. Ongoing alcohol use allows disease to progress. The next stage is alcoholic hepatitis. Liver cells swell and die during inflammation. Immune cells worsen tissue injury. Repeated injury initiates fibrosis. Alcoholic hepatitis causes systemic symptoms. Bilirubin accumulation causes jaundice. Severe inflammation may cause fever and pain. Blood tests show elevated liver enzymes. Alcohol injury typically raises AST more than ALT. Chronic inflammation leads to progressive scarring. Advanced scarring results in cirrhosis. Cirrhosis disrupts normal liver structure and function. Scarring increases pressure in the portal system. Portal hypertension and low albumin cause ascites. Fragile varices can rupture and bleed. Portal hypertension also enlarges the spleen. Protein synthesis declines in advanced disease. Impaired clotting increases bleeding tendency. Toxin buildup can impair brain function. This condition is called hepatic encephalopathy. Alcohol-related cirrhosis raises liver cancer risk. Diagnosis begins with a detailed alcohol history. Laboratory tests assess damage and function. Imaging helps identify structural changes. Biopsy may confirm disease stage. Stopping alcohol is the most critical treatment. Early disease is often reversible with abstinence. Nutrition support improves outcomes. Selected patients may benefit from anti-inflammatory therapy. Complications require targeted management. Some patients progress despite therapy. Transplant is considered an advanced, irreversible disease. Long-term recovery depends on sustained abstinence. Early intervention prevents severe outcomes. Understanding alcohol-related liver disease highlights the importance of early recognition and